I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best freaking night in my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah.
Good day, I am Айжан Бакытбекқызы, English teacher of 17th school. Today, I am taking about of challenge using digital educational resources in teaching English. The use of multimedia in teaching allows to objectively access students' knowledge, make lessons emotional and memorable. What digital services platforms are we actively introducing in our educational process? The Kahoot, Actively Wheels, Padlet, Mind the Map, and the YouTube. I think that we teachers of foreign languages must keep of the time of the students must be interesting. I am passing the challenge of using of digital educational resources to Аяулым Болатовна. Thank you for your attention.